to my channel. I'm Christine, and today we're going to be unboxing. This is the Greetabl box. Explain to you guys what exactly is Greetabl, why I think it's unique, and why I also love the whole concept. Before we begin, in case you guys are new here, consider subscribing, as well as don't forget to hit that little bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos. This was sent to me by Nicole, also known as Mommytipsbycole. She is also sharing an unboxing of the Greetabl that I sent to her, which I'm going to link right up here in the card area. Please make sure you guys go check out her video and let her know that I sent you. This also is in collaboration with Greetabl, so thank you so much to Greetabl for partnering with me for this video. The whole concept really with Greetabl is, instead of sending somebody a card, why not send them a personalized little box? When you go on their website, they have so many different choices of themes for your card, different things that you can fit into your Greetabl box. They have trinkets, candies, candles, champagne gummy bears. The best thing about it is that you can upload photos. It makes the gift super personal, and I love how you can customize it to whoever you are going to be sending this to. Let me just kind of show you what the box looks like on all sides. On one side it says ooh la la, and on the other side it says Greetabl. I didn't open this, just to let you guys know. I kind of just tore off this part, and then on the other side it's the little package label. So let's go ahead and just open this. Right when you open it, it says Greetabl, and then right on top you have a little card which says someone wants you to smile. That is cute. Inside this box is a thoughtful surprise that somebody handpicked just for you. We won't ruin the surprise, but you're in for a treat. Someone must think you're really great. Handpick responsibly in St. Louis using recycled materials. So I gotta say, Nicole absolutely knows me. This is such an adorable box. It says right here, peel open both sides. So let's go ahead and do that. That's blue. I love this. This is so cool. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. The first thing that's in my Greetabl box is from the brand Tea Drops, and these are organic pressed tea that dissolves. And I have tried this. Tastes really good. The flavor of this is sweet peppermint. It is really cool because it actually is shaped like a heart. And then Nicole also included, oh my gosh, the little this is so adorable. I believe these are called Moscow Mule mugs, except these are super tiny. They're copper. This is so cute. Thank you so much, Nicole. I should have read the card first. The card is actually the box. Upload 3 different pictures, which she did. The first one is of Nicole and I when we went to Las Vegas this past summer. Another one from this past summer, vlogging our food. And then another picture when we visited New York and we met up with Nicole for the very first time, Nicole and her family. The card says, Dear Tin, just sending something small to send you. Positive thoughts and vibes for an amazing year ahead. I'm so thankful that you two brought us together and we continue to have each other's back through it all. Love always, Cole. That is such a cool and unique gift. Thank you so much, Nicole. This really brought a huge smile to my face, and I just love how it's so personalized. It will definitely bring a huge smile to whoever you send this to. I love the whole concept behind it. I'm going to link Greetabl down below, and I also have a coupon code in case you're interested. I believe it's Twilight Chick 1 for 3. You can use that at checkout for some money off of your purchase of Greetabl. Make sure you guys check out Nicole's video. Again, I'm going to link it right up here in the card area, as well as down below in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If you guys did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you already haven't. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. And also make sure you guys hit that bell to be notified once I upload new videos. Follow me on my social media. Sending you guys, as always, positive vibes for a wonderful day and a wonderful evening. Thank you, babes, so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.